Guys, as promised, today I'm doing a makeup look using the Christmas Cookie House Party collection from Too Faced. And it features 3 palettes, mascara, primer, and lip product. And I did a pretty dramatic look. Y'all know those are my go-to. But you could definitely tone it down with the colors that are in the palettes. I mean, look, your selection is limitless. You have darks, lights, shimmers, mattes. Really, you could do anything with the palette. This is just one of the looks, one of the many looks you could do with these 20 colors. Actually, there's, if you count the glitters, there's like 26 because there's also a smaller glitter eyeshadow palette in there as well with 4 glitters and 2 eyeshadows. So many different looks you can create with the collection. Without further ado, keep watching. So, I'm going to be using more Too Faced today. This time I'm using the Christmas Cookie House Party collection. And that consists of 3 palettes, mascara, beautiful lip product, and Too Faced Shadow Insurance. So, my brows are already done. I'm going to start off with my Too Faced Shadow Insurance. This. And I'm just going to apply this as a primer. So, this is the main palette I'm going to be using, which is the big one with 20 colors. 20 gorgeous holiday colors. So I'm starting off crease color. I believe I'm going to use Secret Santa, which is this matte mauve here. I'm applying that generously in the crease. This is a Coastal Scents BRC N08 brush. Now dusting that off, I'm going to go around the outer border. I'm actually going to pick up a lighter color to go on top of that with. I'm taking Ginger Bells. This color here. It's right above Secret Santa. This is going to help me buff that color out and also lighten the darkness. One thing I noticed, these colors take a lot of effort to blend. I'm not blending very easily. I'm going above that now with this color called Cream Filling, which is this here, the matte one. This is my brow highlight. Taking a little more of that Ginger Bells just to add some pink back to it and not to have it too faded. Okay, now for some fun stuff. You could definitely keep the look neutral. For the most part, it's going to be neutral. Kinda. I don't know. I'm going to try something out. In my review, I mentioned that this palette has some nice duochromes in it. Meaning you could put, you know, dark base underneath and the color would be so beautiful on top. At first glance, Tinseltown is a duochrome and it looks like it could look really pretty over a dark base. So I'm going to try it. I did not try this on a swatch prior to, so hopefully this works like I'm thinking it will. I'm taking the NYX Jumbo Eyeshadow Pencil in Black Bean. Nothing too special, it's just black. I'm going to apply this on my lid. And then, I'm not using my finger. I'm going to take a brush to blend it out. Just a flat brush is fine. Ah! Got in my crease, crap. I didn't mean for that to happen. I can fix it though, hopefully. You see like I fixed it now before. Oh, that sucks. Let me do it on the other side too. I really didn't intend for that to happen. But I'm actually glad it did, because it kind of deepened that up. Okay, so now I'm going to go back on my lid. I'm not going to look up until it's blended, so I don't want that to happen again. Just make sure you blend the base up into the color so you don't have any gaps. That should be good enough. Now I'm going to take that color Tinseltown that I mentioned in the middle here, that one. It looks white on camera maybe, but it kind of reflects lavender, pink, blue. I think it's gorgeous. Taking a flat brush, this is a Laurel Cornell. Find it at Marshall's or TJ Maxx. Marshall's, I mean maybe, I don't know, I doubt it. Marshall's or Hobby Lobby. Taking this color on the lid here. Oh, I hope this works how I want it. Let's see. Oh, it's working! Look how pretty that is. Oh my gosh. Maybe y'all don't think it's pretty, but I think it's absolutely gorgeous. So I'm bringing this up into the crease. I'm applying it on half of the lid to start because I don't think I want it across the entire lid. So guys, if you see a lighter color in any palette that you have, some of you probably already noticed, but this is mainly for newbies. If you see a lighter color in the palette that looks white but you look closer, it's like pink, blue. It has like those different colors in there. You can apply it over a black base and that will make those colors come out rather than white. Like, I can't believe that came from, I mean, you can't believe that it comes from a white looking color, but it's so crazy, the beauty of makeup and how, you know, it changes based on what you use. So I'm just kind of cleaning this up, making sure it's not too messy. Okay, in the inner corner now, I don't have any black base there, so it's just going to come off with what you see. I'm taking I Love Yule. Yule as in Y-U-L-E, this color here. I am taking that same brush I used for the crease. I'm dusting it off. I'm gonna use a different, similar brush. This is a MAC 226. I don't know if this is the best choice either, but I'm gonna try it. I'm applying this color in the tear duct, because y'all know I love my pop of highlights. And I'm going a little up, not too much. Now I'm going back to that crease brush. It's a great choice to use two different ones because I can go back in between, back and forth. I mean, I'm going back in with that mauve I used, Secret Santa, this color here. And I'm just cleaning up that crease. I want it darker, but I don't want it too dark. And we had black base there earlier, a little bit, so I want to add more purple there. I'm gonna take this color called Hot and Coal. Coal as in C-O-A-L, that darker bluish looking black. I'm going to use same brush. I'm dusting it off. Not that it matters because it's darker, but I'm applying this on the outer V to deepen that up. Ooh, it's really dark. I'm not gonna go too high up. Just want a deeper outer V. That side blended out perfectly. I'm gonna make sure the side does the same. I just dusted the brush off and I'm going up a little higher now. I'm gonna do some windshield wiper motions. I think that's good. Don't want to overdo it. Okay, for the lower lash line, I didn't think that far ahead. I never do. I think I'm going to keep it purple. For the bottom liner, I'm taking Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Love Drug. It's just a nice purpley burgundy-ish. It's like a dark color. Best way to describe it, I don't even know. This is also going on my waterline. I'm setting it with this color called Nooks and Cranberries. I keep dipping my fingers in the colors by accident. This color here, Nooks and Cranberries. And I'm just using a flat brush, the end of it. Because I love glitter, we're gonna go in with some. I'm pretty much done with this big palette for now, unless I change my mind. Can't figure out anything else I could use. I'm using this tiny 6-pan glitter and eyeshadow palette now. I'm gonna take this golden glitter called Miss Kringle. That's Kringle with a K. And I'm using that same brush I used for that tear duct color, this MAC 226. This might not be a great choice because it's so fluffy, but I'm gonna try it. But I think since the glitter is creamy, it'll work. So I'm going to apply this on the lower inner tear duct. It works perfectly actually. And it just adds some nice glitter to that corner. Sorry, I could get a little crazy with glitter if y'all haven't noticed by now. That's so pretty. Look at that. And actually you could have definitely used this color here for a brow highlight. I actually forgot about it, but the other color ended up working out great for a brow highlight, so not worried. For eyeliner at the top, I'm taking Dark Diversion by MAC. It's a dark plum. I remember when I bought this, it was released, you know, multiple times, but I'm not sure if they have it permanently now or if they still release it from time to time, but it's a great color. I'm taking a stiff Robert Simmons S57 brush. It's angled, small and angled. Okay, so I have some MAC eyeliner, mixing medium. I'm actually going to try to revive it with this because I really like this. I really want to use it. I probably need to throw it away after this because it's so old. But I'm going to at least try to revive this with a couple of drops of this. Maybe even one drop will be enough. This is a good product to have if you need to do things like this. Or if you want to create an eyeliner from a powder product, from a pigment. I'm throwing it away still because it's taking a lot of effort to get that color payoff that I want. I'm going to take the eyeliner I used for the bottom. I'm going to try to like fix this. I'm going to go ahead and apply some mascara. Too Faced Better Than Sex. This comes in the collection. I'm going to just do the top until I get my concealer done at the bottom. I'm taking my medium dark ColourPop No Filter Concealer. I'm applying some lashes. Guess what they are not this time? They are not the wispies. I have some Red Cherry 113s. Figured it's time I switched it up. While that's drying, I'm gonna take some mascara on my bottom lashes now. Moving on to foundation, I'm taking my Dior Air Flash 301. Honestly, I'm trying to use this up. Might switch soon to something else, but for now, I'm just gonna go with this. I'm using an Ultimate Blending Brush. I know it's used, but I've only used it once. If that helps any. I don't recommend doing that, but I try to use it 2 days at the most, and I don't have any issues. Now, this bronzer is a joke, I believe, but I'm gonna try it just so I can say, just so I can see, because I don't know. This is the palette that comes in the collection. The color is called Extra Toasty. It looks like it won't work on me, but I could be wrong. We'll see. Okay, so it's a light, natural bronzer, which isn't a bad thing. It shows up a little, but it's buildable, I see. So it's not bad, but when I tan in the summer, this will not work. Gonna go ahead and apply some highlighter. I'm literally using this palette for everything. This is Get Frosted. I mentioned in my review that this wasn't my absolute favorite because it didn't really, say wow to me. I'm gonna use it anyway. Yeah, see, it's a really subtle highlight. It's nothing crazy like I like. But it's nice and natural, so okay, so that's also buildable. You'll notice the more I add, the more glowy it is, like I like. Oh, guys, I kept smelling something that smelled like marshmallows. I was like, what is that smell? It's the palette that smells. Blush, same exact brush I used for contour. This is the Bare Minerals Full Tapered Shadow and Blush Brush. I'm taking Daydreamer, which is the color in the palette that's in the middle. And this color shows up lightly as well. Done with face and eyes. I'm going to take the lip product that's in the collection. I don't know how this is going to look with this crazy eyes going on here, but I'm going to do it anyway because it comes in the collection. This is Too Faced Melted Matte Liquefied Matte Longwear Lipstick. And it's literally just a orangey red with a little brown in it. Gingerbread, basically. Gingerbread man. Oh, it smells amazing. It's just not good because I'm starving. I actually like the contrast in lips. That's it for my look, featuring the Christmas Cookie House Party palette, or House Party collection. I used everything in there. The 6 pan eyeshadow palette, even though I just used the glitter from it. The 19 or 20 pan palette, and then the highlighter, bronzer, and blush, as well as the mascara, primer, and lip product. Variety of looks you could do with this. Even if you didn't want it to be this dramatic, you didn't have to have it be dramatic, because with the eyelid color, you don't have to use a blank base, and it'll pretty much show up as a very light, reflective white. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Be sure to rate the video, subscribe, and also turn your post notifications on so that you don't miss anything that I post. I have one more Too Faced video to post featuring, or tutorial, featuring the Let It Snow Girl collection, so look forward to that one. I'll try my very best to get it before Christmas. If you guys have any questions, ask me below. I'll talk to all of you next time. Thanks for watching.